Hello everybody and welcome back to another Windows Developer Preview. We have the Windows 11 Developer Preview build 23451. One nifty feature is the Modernized details pane in the Files Explorer. So if you're not seeing this side panel here, you can either press Alt-Shift-P or you can go to the view up here and select Preview pane or Details pane. The Details pane will now show you information regarding whatever file you have. So for example, I have a JPEG file. It will show me a preview and allow me to share and click properties from here and show additional information. There can be also more additional information, say if you're working with OneDrive and using a Word document on the cloud. So it is a nice additional touch that's coming to the File Explorer. What's also new, thanks to the API released recently for the Widgets panel, if you have Facebook installed as an application, you'll now be able to pin them as widgets on the side. So say you have Facebook. Currently I'm not logged in or anything, so I don't see any information, but basically you'll be able to see recent notifications. This is a nifty feature coming and I hope comes with more applications soon, such as Twitter. That feature is also available in the latest Windows beta preview. Windows is also releasing notification badging for Microsoft accounts on the Start menu. So basically it's just add menu within the Start menu. I don't see anything for me. In the example, to show a notification about adding a recovery phone number to your account. Also what you should see soon is suggestion for apps. Now currently I'm not seeing this feature yet. I tried searching up for LinkedIn and trying to get that pop-up to appear. But it seems like in the future, you'll be able to see app suggestions based on your browsing history, which I am guessing would only be available if you use Microsoft Edge. Also within Windows Explorer, you'll see an updated icon for the gallery view. Concerning widgets, they're adding a new UI where you can add widgets. I'm not seeing the widget UI that they're showing there. But if you add a widget, find more widgets, you will now be redirected to the Microsoft Store and you'll land on a special page just for widgets. So far there's only the Xbox, Facebook Messenger, Phone Link and Spotify as available widgets. That new UI interface should arrive sometime. It should pop up when you press plus, but I'm not sure why it's not showing up here. Windows developer updates are always weird like that. Sometimes you get the features that show off and sometimes you just don't. And of course you're going to get animations within the widget icon there. If you're using Windows Spotlight, you shall see additional UI interfaces. Now when I went into Spotlight mode, it did not show me this either. Other additional enhancements is the narrator once more, but this time with its interaction with Microsoft Excel. So you should be having a more decent experience with Excel. Also, live captions has been updated to support new languages, including Danish, English, the Ireland version, French from Canada, Korean, Portuguese from Portugal. Included fixes in this build has to do with Windows Explorer itself from crashing and impacting the taskbar reliability. Fixed an issue that caused quick settings and its project options to sometimes not respond when using Alt and F4 to close them. Also fixed an issue with the Start menu by having the recommended section empty the first time it was opened. If you're previewing the Windows App Software Development Kit version of File Explorer, also if you're using Arabic or Hebrew display language, the tabs should be displaying correctly. If you're also using Arabic or Hebrew, the scroll bar and gallery view should be fixed as well. An issue has been fixed when you start up search for something, which sometimes gets stuck. So if you're having an issue with search, that would be fixed. The touch keyboard pin entry would crash, but that issue should have been fixed again. And again, two-factor authentication codes patterns weren't recognized, and that should be fixed as well. Also, with live captions, features have been added to enhance the speech recognition language files to improve performance and provide out-of-language filtering meant to limit the incorrect captions for speech not in the caption language. That is intended to say, so something there has been fixed. Now it has noted in known issues that there are issues with the search box, as per usual. Now, if you're using gallery, you might have to click twice for it to go into the gallery. Also, live updates would not be working as well. Thumbnail loading performance for dehydrated cloud files and memory usage in large collections are known issues. Photos from OneDrive for business must be hydrated as well. Some files using the HEIC codec might not render correctly. But those are the main features added and fixes along the way. Leave a comment below if you noticed anything else and if there's any bugs that you have noticed. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're having a good day. Farewell.